7 quick home remedies for stomach burning relief. Have you ever been in a situation where your stomach feels like it's on fire? That burning sensation can be incredibly uncomfortable and ruin your day. Well, fear not, my friends. Today we're going to explore 7 home remedies that can help soothe that fiery furnace in your belly and get you back to feeling your best. But before we dive into the remedies, let's talk about what causes that dreaded stomach burning in the first place. It's often a result of acid reflux, where stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, causing that burning sensation. Sure, you could reach for over-the-counter antacids, but why not try some natural home-based solutions first? Coming in at number 7, we have the powerful ginger root. This spicy little number is a natural anti-inflammatory and can help soothe your stomach lining. Simply grate some fresh ginger into a mug, add hot water, and let it steep for a few minutes. Ah, can you feel the burn melting away? At number 6, we have the humble lemon. This citrus superstar is high in vitamin C and can help neutralize stomach acid. Simply add a squeeze or two of fresh lemon juice to a glass of water and sip away. Holding steady at number 5 is honey. Honey, you're the bee's knees when it comes to stomach burning relief. This sweet treat is a natural antioxidant and can help soothe inflammation in the digestive tract. Try adding a spoonful or two to a warm cup of tea, or simply eat it straight from the jar. At number 4 is licorice. Wait, licorice? That's right, folks. This old school candy isn't just for satisfying your sweet tooth. Licorice root contains compounds that can help reduce stomach acid and soothe the lining of the digestive tract. And at a cool number 3 is aloe vera. Aloe vera isn't just for sunburns. This succulent wonder can also work wonders for your stomach. Aloe vera juice can help reduce inflammation and promote healing in the digestive tract. Holding firm at number 2 is baking soda. Baking soda, the unsung hero of the kitchen cupboard. This humble ingredient can help neutralize stomach acid and provide relief from that burning sensation. Just mix a teaspoon or 2 of baking soda into a glass of water and drink up. And coming in at number 1, we have the calming chamomile. This gentle herb has been used for centuries to soothe digestive issues. Chamomile tea can help reduce inflammation and relax the muscles in your digestive tract. There you have it, friends. 7 home remedies to help extinguish that fiery furnace in your belly. Remember, these natural solutions are often just as effective as over-the-counter medications, without the potential side effects. So, the next time that stomach burn strikes, try one of these remedies and find sweet relief. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural remedy goodness.